Yo! Alright, so I'm gonna be spinning a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. right now. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. And let's do this. So yeah, what I said. Guys, I don't even know what that was right now. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be spinning a fidget spinner. Yo, go. Yo. That's freaking creeping me out right now. But, like I said, I'm spinning a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. So yeah. I kind of like doing 3 a.m. videos. This is my second 3 a.m. video. And yeah, so for my fans, if any of my fans saw me unbox this quiet fidget spinner right here, well, yes, it is what you're talking about. It is a gold fidget, a goldish, pinkish, all this kind of colors. So yeah. So like I said, it's a cool color. And yeah. So yeah, so let's keep on spinning. So yeah. So like I said, let's get into this. Alright, so let's just keep on spinning. Oh, what happened? Sorry guys, I think I blacked out or passed out for a second or so. So let's just keep on spinning right now. Yo. Ow! Alright, so like I said, it's not actually metal. It's just plastic. But if I actually say a magic word, this might be able to turn into a metal fidget spinner. Like, if you can hear it, it has a weird bearing. It makes that weird noise. But let's see it. 3. Everyone say it with me. Abracadabra. Say that with me. Abracadabra. Chicken noodle. It feels weird. actually feels really weird. Let's just keep on doing this. Alright guys, so right now I have Adidas box. You guys can't see it. Now you guys should be able to see it. Wait. You guys hear that? Plastic wouldn't make that noise. That's really cool. I think it turned metal. Can't feel it good enough, but I'll still try and see. You know what? I think I know how I know it's metal. Yo, it's freaking metal! Yo, guys, this is freaking cool. Like, look at this. Whoa. Yo, that is freaking sick. Alright. So right now, let's just actually continue. I'll tell you guys when I hear some sounds. Alright guys, I'm actually back. So, yeah, let's actually do some tricks. I couldn't hear a noise yet. I'll tell you guys when it's 5 days later. I'll meet you guys when it's 5 days later. And yeah, so bye guys until it's 5 days later. Okay guys, it's been 5 days later and I'm going to continue this. Let's do some tricks. You ready? Yo, I freaking catched it. Guys ready to reveal? What? Yo, it's freaking still kind of. I'm gonna spin this until it's done. You guys ready? And ready? This looks like it's freaking floating. Hold on guys, I'm gonna do a little trick. So I'm seeing when I'm done doing that trick and seeing if it works. Okay guys, I'm actually back. You guys ready to see this float? You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo. Yeah, it's cool, huh? Yo, that was sick, huh guys? Yeah, that was actually really sick. Alright, if you guys want another trick, this is how you do it. So, you grab the bottom, if it has a screw or anything. See that little circle? You'll make that little circle, or whatever, how big it needs to be. You go like that. Oh yeah, by the way, you can use floss, you can use invisible string. You go like this. you guys ready? You go like that. Can you see it out? You go like this, and boom. You just hold that while it's spinning. Like, boom, boom. And then you just hold it until, and then you drop it like it's actually in the air. Whoa. And then you actually drop it with your hand. So, I hope you guys like that trick. But, yeah, like I said, it's 3 a.m. right now. And, yeah, so I'll see you in another 3 a.m. video.